Sometimes innovation is happening in plain sight. And that's certainly the case here on Queen Street, where we've welcomed HelloFresh, who are one of the world's largest food and technology companies, to locate here. And so they've taken over the building here, the building on this side. And so you've got like 200 odd HelloFreshers who are have become part of our neighborhood. Our next stop is down to Mortuary Station, because it's a really important reflection point in this tour where we think about both the beginnings and the ends.